Fixing beginning balance issues when reconciling in QuickBooks Online is essential for accurate financial records. Here's how to address these issues effectively. Identify the discrepancy. Start by comparing your bank statements with the beginning balance in QuickBooks. Look for any discrepancies in transaction amounts, missing transactions, or incorrect opening balances. Check previous reconciliation reports. Navigate to the Report section, then select Reconciliation Reports. Review previous reconciliations to see if there were any errors or discrepancies in earlier periods that may have affected the current balance. Review transactions. Go to the Transactions or Banking tab and look for transactions posted around the beginning balance date. Ensure all transactions are accurate and categorized correctly. Edit incorrect transactions. If you find errors, click on the transaction to edit it. Make necessary corrections, such as adjusting amounts, dates, or categories. Adjust beginning balance. If needed, create a journal entry to adjust the beginning balance. Navigate to Plus New, select Journal Entry, and input the adjustments accordingly. Reconcile again. After making adjustments, return to the reconciliation screen and check if the beginning balance now matches your bank statement.